Welcome to Aptella Academy, and in this video we'll be showing you how to use the GNSS weighted average feature and export a report using TopCon Field version 10. From the main screen we'll go into Survey and then Topo. Typically the GNSS weighted average feature will be utilized when a user wants to measure the same point at different times of day and get a good average over the same position to ensure it has the highest of accuracy to remove any possible GNSS error at different times of the day. For this feature to work, the user needs to store the point as the same name when taking any topographic readings. And this feature only works for an existing topo shot performed in this current job, not a point that has been imported. In this example, we are doing a weighted average on point 100. To ensure that we are measuring on point 100, we need to enter in the point 100 name again. And to do this, we'll go into the point properties button down the bottom, and then we'll change the point name we are observing to 100. Once the point name has been changed, we'll hit the green tick button. Once we have the correct point name set, we'll physically go occupy the same position at a different time of day and hit the measure icon. A point check screen will appear, and we want to ensure we are storing this point as a checkpoint, and we are ticking to use this in a weighted average. Once these have both been ticked, we can hit the green tick button on the point check screen. We will now see a weighted average screen, and we can see that we've been to point 100 twice since taking the original measurement. And on this screen we can set to use for horizontal and vertical status for the different readings at the different times of day. This can be done at any point later on, or the user can do it while it's fresh in their mind. Hit the green tick button once complete. The user can go check the weighted average measurements against a single point from the topo screen by going into the 3-bar button and selecting Edit Points. The last point will be highlighted, and we'll select point 100 and go Edit. There will be a Checkpoints tab. The user can see how many times they have been to the original point 100, in this case twice, and then they can go to the WA or the weighted average tab and also change the horizontal and vertical usage for the different observations at the different times of days. From this screen, the user can export the weighted average report by going into the 3-bar button and going Export Text Sheet. The user will need to enter in a name for this check sheet and hit the green tick button. Once they've hit the green tick button, they can confirm the coordinate system the report will show. This will be the project coordinate system, and hit the green tick button. The software will export the report and any checkpoints that have been taken on any points within the dataset. The user can look through the check datasheet report and look at the weighted average values and whether they've been used for horizontal and vertical. Thank you for watching.